Welcome to FlowTrack Productivity Monitoring Demo. Post-pandemic, millions of workforce have gone remote. Businesses were unprepared to handle such a volume of the distributed workforce, and they carry a considerable risk in employee productivity and data loss. FlowTrack helps businesses monitor employee productivity by tracking their keyboard and mouse activities, doing random screenshots, and measuring their application and internet usage. FlowTrack supports all major platforms for monitoring, such as Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Mac. We are at the dashboard where you see the analytical and real-time view of the productivity data. On the top, you know the engagement level of the employees for the past 7 days and the top 10 applications and the websites used by the team. In the Below section, you can monitor the real-time engagement level of the employees from high efficiency to low engagement. Real-time insights help businesses proactively address any concerns with employees so that any prolonged disengagement is prevented. Once you are signed up to FlowTrack, onboarding takes only a few minutes. In consent-based tracking, you need to invite the user to FlowTrack with their email address. As soon as they verify the email address and sign up, they are an active member in the system and ready for tracking. In stealth mode, it is a two-step process. Step 1 is to install the agent on the system where you need to monitor user activities. Step 2 is to map the computer system with the username in the member module. To configure what data to capture from the user systems, navigate to Settings. Screenshot capture is optional. Here, you can capture the screenshot and set how many you like to capture every 10 minutes, 1, 2, or 3. By default, we blur the screenshots to protect sensitive information. If you like to have a clear screenshot, you can enable it for a specific employee. The team activity goal is to measure the hardware engagement of the employees. You can define the benchmark based on employee role and their experience. Application and URL tracking happen by default. Here you can classify the application and URL to be productive or unproductive. Based on this classification, user effort will be presented on their dashboard and reports. Idle time setting is to measure an employee's continuous inactive time on the system. You can disable the idle time tracking or set a threshold to measure the same. To view the current status, you can navigate to the Team Activity dashboard. You can see how many users are online and offline. You also have an option to notify the offline users to start the activity tracking in consent mode. By selecting an employee, you can review more detailed activities. In Daily Insights, you have 24 hours view of employee activity and their internet connectivity status. You also have a holistic view of employee activity at 10 minutes intervals. You have the detailed data view in the following tabs: Screenshots, Apps, and URL. In the screenshot, you have the entire day's data segregated in an hourly slot. You can review the productivity in each 10 minutes slot along with a screenshot. In the Application tab, you have the entire day's data segregated in an hourly slot with the applications used and the time spent on each application. In the URL tab, you can see the browsers used, websites visited, page title, and the time spent on each website. Here you have the option of copying the URL to audit the websites too. FlowTrack provides comprehensive reports from the data collected. You have the productivity reports, analytical reports, and asset reports. You have the option of downloading CSV or XLS for an individual or a team. You can choose to download the reports for any date range that is presented here. Insights provide a clear understanding of the team's performance during business hours. It helps the managers and business owners to understand how productivity is maintained throughout a day by the group or by an individual. You have the option to export the insight data in both CSV and XLS formats. Thank you for watching. For support queries, please reach out to support@flowtrack.ai.